How to add a new nominal code to the chart of accounts in Xero. From accounting, hit chart of accounts. We'll then be taken to the chart of accounts. This is a list of all our nominal codes, and we can filter that in name order, in type order, and tax rate. To add a new account, simply click add an account. We then choose what type of nominal it is. So this is where it will sit in the balance sheet or profit and loss. So we've got current fixed assets, inventory, prepayments, etc. on there. In this example, we're going to create an overhead. Code is just a unique number or character. And for that nominal code, by default, Xero uses 3-digit numbers, but you can put in anything you like. This example, I'm going to use 490. It will tell you if it's available. If it already exists, you can't have two things with the same code number. And then in this example, we'll do trivial benefits. We can add additional descriptions here if we want to help users or know what that is. And then also by default, if there is VAT or not on this nominal, we can still override it, but that's what the defaults will be. We tick this if we want this on the first dashboard screen. So on this screen, it will appear on the watch list if we tick that box. Expense claims means that we can put this on an expense claim. And enable payments means that it can almost function as a bank account in the sense that we can pay things off to it. You wouldn't normally tick that. The classic one is things like directors' loan accounts or capital accounts, where we want to say, oh, someone has paid something off personally. In that case, we might tick that account, but it's very rare that we would do so. Then click Save, and there we go. Our nominal is now in our chart of accounts and ready to use.